Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Talking Today. I'm Emily, and today we're diving into some essential dialogues for beginners in common situations, ordering food at a restaurant, shopping at a supermarket, and buying supplies at a stationery shop. Let's get started and upgrade your confidence in speaking English.
At stationery store.
Hello, I need to buy some things for school. Can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
First, I need a new notebook. I want a blue one.
We have many blue notebooks. Do you want a big one or a small one?
A big one, please. And I also need a pen.
Here are some pens. Do you want a black pen or a blue pen?
I'll take a black one. How much is it all?
The notebook is $3 and the pen is $1. So, $4 in total.
Great, here is $5.
Thank you. Here is your $1 change. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
At a coffee shop.
Good morning. Can I get a coffee, please?
Hello. Yes, what kind of coffee would you like?
Just a small black coffee, please.
Anything else? Maybe a muffin or a cookie?
No, thank you. Just the coffee. How much is that?
That's $2.50.
Here you are.
Thanks. Here is your coffee. Be careful. It's hot.
Thank you very much. Asking for directions.
Can you help me? I am lost.
Of course. Where do you want to go?
I need to find the library. Is it far from here?
No, it's not far. Go straight on the street.
Straight? Okay.
Yes, and then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light. Got it.
The library is on your right side. You will see a big red building.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
At a restaurant.
Hello, do you have a table for two?
Yes, right this way. Here are your menus. I'll be back in a minute to get your drink order.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Are you ready to order some drinks?
Yes. Could we order a bottle of water and a glass of red wine, please?
Certainly. Still need a few more minutes with the food menu?
Yes, just a little longer. We're ready to order now. I'll have the pasta with the tomato sauce.
Excellent choice. And what would you like with that?
A small side salad, please.
Your pasta and salad. Enjoy your meal.
It looks wonderful, thank you. This is delicious. Could we get a little more bread, please?
Of course. I'll bring that out right away. How was everything? Can I get you anything for dessert?
No, thank you. We're full. Could we have the check, please? The dinner was excellent. Thank you for the great service.
You're very welcome. We hope to see you again soon.
Thanks again, goodbye.
Goodbye.
At the supermarket.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the cereal is?
It's in aisle 3 on your right.
Thanks. And where can I find the milk?
The milk is in the back in the refrigerated section.
Do you have any gluten-free bread?
Yes, it's on aisle 5 with the other specialty breads.
Perfect. Thank you. I'm looking for some fresh basil. Is it in the produce section?
Yes, you'll find it with the other herbs near the lettuce.
Great. Thanks. Excuse me, where are the batteries?
They're at the very end of aisle 10, next to the light bulbs.
Got it. Thanks for the help. Do you have fresh ground coffee?
We have a grinder right here. What kind of coffee would you like?
The dark roast, please. I can't seem to find the sugar.
The sugar is in aisle 8 with the baking supplies.
Oh, I see it now. Thank you. Do you have any ripe avocados?
Let me check for you. Yes, we just got a new delivery. They're right over here.
Wonderful. Thanks. Where can I find the paper towels?
They're on aisle 12 with the other cleaning products.
Thanks a lot. Do you have any vegetarian sausages?
Yes, they're in the frozen food section in the last freezer.
Okay. Thank you very much. Is there a restroom I can use?
Yes, it's just past the checkout counters on your left.
Thank you so much.
That's all for today's Essential Dialogues. We hope these phrases help you feel more confident in your English conversations. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Talking Today for more practical lessons. And we want to hear from you. What other everyday situations would you like us to cover? Share your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.